Out here, the weather is not good today. It's for right now. But anyways, guys, and TikTok. Houston, and I don't know if it was my fault or her fault or his fault. This rain is no good, so it is what it is. Then we're gonna hit up my boy's house, Silver Bullet. Cut this vlog for right now and eat some tacos real quick, and las que no me diste, güey, me atascó, me dio como unas 6 quesadillas.
Me atasqué, puro.
Y es lo que piensas, güey.
Ese lo dejé todo caer.
¿Ah?
Hold on, do it again.
You know, better go get a sweater because, and let's go, it's nasty outside. Screw nail in my tire. No, my tire. Like if somebody drilled it in there, could have been a streak. But anyways.